वेलकम बैक बच्चों एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ सुपर इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जिसका नाम है व्हाई ड्रोन्स हैव चेंज्ड द मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर एंड इफ यू आर समवन हु इज गोइंग फॉर एसएसबी एंड who has the upcoming SSB or maybe any sort of interview, it can be the Ministry of Defense or anything related to defense forces, then you cannot miss this one. Why? Because you know how important drones have become in today's warfare, and I am going to explain everything, the type of drones which are being used today, why they are important, what have changed, and why for India, particularly for our country, why is this actually becoming important and how can we actually work on this part. Iske alawa, at the end I will be telling you a few questions which can be asked on drone. And if you are someone who is into the technical part or technical side of the engineering, तब तो आपको बिल्कुल इसके बारे में पता होना चाहिए. If you are someone who is going for technical entries like TEC or TES or maybe UGC, sorry, not UGC, UES entry. So you should know that how drones have been changing the battlefield forever and how small, I mean, they are so small in size. So how these small drones have actually changed the wars which are being fought. Okay. And stick with me till the end. I want you to grab your notebook for making the notes because there's no point listening to the video. You can either stop the video whenever you are writing, or you can go a little bit back, listen once, and then listen it again and make notes. Okay? So there's no point of just listening to the video because if you do not write down the types of drones and everything, you're going to forget it. Okay? So make notes. And remember this, bachcho, if you're not revising your notes every Sunday, so there's no point of making notes. Okay? So going to be a long one, not much, but yeah, 30-40 minutes is the minimum this video can be. And let's actually begin. Okay? So first of all, let me take you back in a little bit of old war time. Kaisa hota tha? So we had to actually send a soldier to find out ki enemy kahan pe hai. Okay? And today this question have a very different answer ki enemy kahan par hai, because you have a small drone in the sky and it can watch out things for you. It can watch vehicles, it can watch artillery positions, it can watch supply movements, or it can actually help you in understanding what is happening on the enemy side. And that is why drones have actually changed the modern warfare, not simply because drones can carry weapons. That is actually one part of the story about drone. The bigger change is that the drones have actually made the battlefield much more visible. ठीक है? तो मुझे याद है जब हम अकेडमी में थे तो हमें कैमोफ्लेज एंड कंसीलमेंट पढ़ाया जाता था जिसमें कि वो बताते थे कैसे ये सब करना है. बट नाउ टुडे, ठीक है, camouflage and concealment is becoming quite difficult, and today I want to explain you in the simplest possible way. I'm not going to use any technical terms, तो कि जो मेरे जैसे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने आर्ट्स पढ़ी है, ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, वो ये सब समझ सकें. And we will talk about 10 major ways in which drones have changed the whole warfare. So let's start from the basic. What exactly is a drone? Drone hota kya hai? I will start from the zero. Okay, so a military drone is basically an unmanned aircraft. Okay, so there is no pilot sitting inside this, and depending on the type of drone, it can be controlled or remotely or operate from various kind of resources. Okay, drones come in different sizes. Some can be extremely small, some can fit in your backpack, and some are kind of larger and they can remain in the air for long period of time. Okay, अच्छा, drones जो हैं वो यूज़ होते हैं for your surveillance, sometimes for carrying your weapons or something, and sometimes they are just designed for one-way attack missions. And all these drones I'm talking about, necessarily I'm not talking about all the drones which we have in India or we have used in our own wars. I'm talking about anything which is being used in Russia-Ukraine war, Iran war, anything. Okay, so it is like the whole world ka preview I'm giving you. Now, the biggest revolution isn't necessarily the drone that destroys something. It is often the drone that sees something first. Okay. Now, let's quickly talk about the how the biggest change from the drone is कि battlefield has actually become so much more transparent. That is your point number one. ठीक है? So traditional battlefield में क्या होता था? There used to be a commander, उनके पास मैप होता था, उनके पास रिपोर्ट्स जो थी वो सोल्जर्स से आती थी. There used to be radio communication, रेकी की टीम्स होती थी, ठीक है, एम्बुश रेकी करने के लिए टीम्स जाया करती थी ताकि वो एनिमी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेकर के वापस आएं. So there was a lot of uncertainty. So you were not aware about everything which is happening on the enemy side. ठीक है? So you might not know कि whether the road is functional or not. You might not know enemy position has moved or it is at the same place, and you might not know whether the vehicle you spotted there with ammunition it is still there or not. ठीक है? Now अब इसकी जगह आप एक ड्रोन को लगा दो. ठीक है? Suddenly you can actually get so much more of information. You will be able to see the terrain. Terrain क्या होता है? कि कैसी geography है, topography. ठीक है? You can observe the movement. You can monitor the area. And sometimes you can send that information to your commanders in real time. मतलब हर चीज़ इतनी fast होती है कि आप बहुत जल्दी बता सकते हो. So that has actually created a major military advantage. And the side that understands the battlefield faster will always take decisions faster. And लड़ाई में जो भी decisions fast लेगा, जल्दी लेगा, वो ही लड़ाई जीतने के चांसेस उनके ज़्यादा होते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू हैव दिस OLQ ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग, फास्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग. ठीक है? नाउ नंबर 3 पॉइंट इज ड्रोन्स हैव एक्चुअली शॉर्टन्ड द टाइम ऑफ एक्टिंग एंड डिसाइडिंग. ठीक है? एक्ट और डिसाइड करने का जो साइकिल है वो कम कर दिया है बहुत ज़्यादा. बिकॉज देखो, इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट यू सी समथिंग, यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, and then you make a decision and then you act accordingly. So drones has actually reduced this time between the stages of information gathering, acting. ठीक है? अभी imagine करो, there is a recce drone which identifies an enemy position near your area. ठीक है? Now that information can be transmitted to relevant command structures and the commander can actually decide what action is appropriate. ठीक है? तो वो एक्शन उतनी जल्दी हो पाएगा. अभी जैसे कारगिल वाली वॉर के बारे में बात करते हैं बच्चों, तो वो आकर के हमारे ऊपर वाली पोस्ट पे बैठ गए थे, बट बहुत दिन तक हमें पता ही नहीं चला था कि उन्होंने इतना बिल्डअप कर लिया है. क्यों? बिकॉज आपके पास कोई ड्रोन नहीं था ना जिससे आप भेज के आप चेक कर लो कि सब कुछ ठीक है कि नहीं. सो देयर वाज सो मच हैपनिंग एंड हमें बहुत लेट में पता चला. ठीक है? सो इफ यू हैव ड्रोन्स यू कैन पोटेंशियली फाइंड एंड अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स at a faster speed. And this is why modern जो militaries हैं, they are talking about sensor to shoot networks. ठीक है? So इसका basic idea क्या होता है? Sensor लगा होता है, that gives you information, then your decision comes and आप accordingly action ले पाते हो. So that is why drones have actually become an important part of this whole chain, especially in the battlefield. Now, point number 4 is, let's talk about another big change which has happened is that small units can see more now. ठीक है? ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डेवलपमेंट है. तो पहले क्या होता था? हाई क्वालिटी एयर सर्विलेंस वॉज जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद एक्सपेंसिव प्लेटफॉर्म्स. ठीक है? टुडे स्मॉलर यूनिट्स कैन हैव एक्सेस टू दीज अनमैन्ड aerial systems. Even a platoon or a company level element can use a small drone to understand the surroundings, and then that is how बेसिकली आपको उतने बंदे नहीं चाहिए जितने आपके पास पहले होते थे, है ना? सो ये तो एक फ़ायदा भी है ना AI का कि humans are being replaced. So this is how humans are being replaced in the army as well. ठीक है? Now the information is being given by the machines. ठीक है? So the soldier has got more information, the commanders have got more information, more perspective. They have they do not need to send the soldier to get the better information. Information is available through the machine which we have, the drone. Okay, now let's quickly discuss about how have the drones changed the artillery. क्या artillery में कोई फर्क पड़ा है? Anybody who is going to opt artillery, you should be listening to this section. ठीक है? अच्छा, एक और वीडियो on all these arms and services कि आपको क्यों opt करनी है, क्या बताना है इंटरव्यू में, उसके बारे में बनाऊंगी मैं. सो वेट फॉर इट. देखो आर्टिलरी है दैट हैज ऑलवेज डिपेंडेंट हेविली ऑन द एक्यूरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द टारगेट. सो जब टारगेट पता चल जाता था ये है, तब वो टारगेट को लोकेट करते थे और उसके ऊपर फायर करते थे. ठीक है, बट ड्रोन हैज एक्चुअली मेड दिस सो मच ईजियर. ठीक है, एरियल ऑब्जर्वेशन कर लेता है ड्रोन. इट कैन आइडेंटिफाई वेयर समथिंग इज, वेयर द एनिमी इज, एंड देन इट कैन ऑब्जर्व द effects of engagement as well, and it gives you quite updated information. So the relationship has actually evolved like this कि ड्रोन देखता है, कमांड डिसाइड करती है, आर्टिलरी फायर करती है, फिर ड्रोन जो है वो ऑब्जर्व करता है रिजल्ट्स कैसे आए. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ दिस साइकिल हैज एक्चुअली बिकम सिंपलर and more accurate. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why drones are so important in all the ongoing conflicts. You keep hearing how much drones are being used in US this Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, now बच्चों quickly start writing down the main types of military drones, क्योंकि ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. अगर आपके लेक्चरेट में ड्रोन से रिलेटेड कुछ याद आता तो बेसिक टाइप्स आप बता दोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होता है ये. ठीक है, सो ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज बता रही हूँ. देखो ड्रोन तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, बट दीज आर द मेन वंस विच आर बीइंग यूज्ड. नंबर 1 इज रेकी ड्रोन. ठीक है, इसका जो प्राइमरी काम होता है, द प्राइमरी जॉब ऑफ अ रेकी ड्रोन इज टू सी एंड कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. सो बेसिकली दे कैरी कैमराज एंड अदर सेंसर्स एंड हेल्प to monitor the areas. They identify the movement and they provide battlefield awareness. So you can think of them as eyes in the sky, okay? And that is what they do. Okay, number 2 is combat drone. Armed drone भी बोलते हैं, combat drone भी बोलते हैं. So these drones can carry weapons and they are designed to engage the targets. They allow a military to conduct certain strikes without putting a pilot inside the aircraft. ठीक है, so the well-known type of category for this one is MALE, M-A-L-E, MALE, UAV. ठीक है. Number 3 जो आप बहुत सुनते रहते होगे is loitering munitions. So now this is important for SSB. Loitering munition का मतलब होता है it can remain in an area while searching or waiting for a suitable target and then attack the target itself. So unlike a conventional missile, this generally is launched towards a known target, and a loitering mission जो होता है it combines a drone and a mission की characteristics को. And this is why sometimes you will hear कि they are suicide drones. इनको suicide drones भी बोला जाता है. ठीक है, now 4th type is FPV. ठीक है, FPV stands for first person view. ये थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है. यहाँ पे द ऑपरेटर रिसीव्स अ लाइव वीडियो फ्रॉम द ड्रोन एंड कंट्रोल्स इट अकॉर्डिंगली. वीडियो गेम टाइप. ठीक है, दिस इज रिलेटिवली स्मॉल सिस्टम्स एंड दे हैव बिकम वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट इन आजकल के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स में. ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है, number 5th type is the logistics or the support drones. These are actually designed to carry things to help your soldiers rather than attacking. So depending on the size and capability, unmanned systems can support to transport, resupply, casualty evacuation में भी काम करता है, and कोई भी logistic task जो होता है उसमें ये काम करता है. And their value is very very important because especially in the dangerous terrains. 6th is counter drone systems, and एक interesting part है. Once drone becomes important, militaries had to develop systems to detect, track and defeat them. And these are called counter UAS. CUAS भी सुनोगे आप, counter UAS systems बोलते हैं इनको. So the modern warfare has drone, counter drone, counter measures. ठीक है, so drone भी है, drone का counter drone भी है. ठीक है, and now let's talk about little bit about FPV. देखो FPV जो है they are broadly used by a lot of countries in the ongoing wars as well, क्योंकि इसमें आप देख के जो है ड्रोन आपको एक पर्सपेक्टिव देता है, आपको वीडियो की फीड देता है जैसे कि वीडियो गेम में होता है, एंड इट इज़ ईजियर फॉर यू टू अटैक. और दूसरी चीज़ ये बहुत ही सस्ता होता है. इट इज़ इनएक्सपेंसिव देन दी एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी लो कॉस्ट एंड it harms the expensive equipment of the enemy. ठीक है, उनकी व्हीकल्स पे अटैक करता है, उनकी पोजीशंस पे अटैक करता है, उनके इक्विपमेंट पे. मान लो आपने अब एक छोटा सा ड्रोन FPV वाला लिया है और आपने 1 या 2 एयरक्राफ्ट जो थे वो एनिमी के उड़ा दिए, है ना, तो उनके तो मिलियंस चले गए, बिलियंस चले गए. सो दिस हैज़ क्रिएटेड अ मेजर इकोनॉमिक क्वेश्चन फॉर द मॉडर्न मिलिट्रीज. ठीक है, कि क्या एक छोटा सा चीप ड्रोन कैन डू सो मच ऑफ हार्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपेंसिव वेपन्स. ठीक है, नाउ let's talk about another kind of transformation. The economics of warfare is actually changing and we need to realize this. ठीक है, अभी देखो, I want you to give a simple example here. ठीक है, imagine there is a highly sophisticated कोई military का system है जो कि आपने millions में बनाया था. नाउ इमेजिन वैसे इतने महंगे सिस्टम को एक अनमैन सिस्टम जो है वो पोटेंशियली पूरा डैमेज करके ख़त्म कर देता है. सेम चीज़ ईरान ने करी है टू यूएस सिस्टम्स इन डिफरेंट बेसिस. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस वॉर हैज़ बीन, द यूएस ईरान वॉर हैज़ बीन सो कॉस्टली फॉर यूएस. ठीक है, सो ये चीज़ है, ये मिलिट्रीज हैं सारी, उनको कॉस्ट एक्सचेंज के बारे में सोचने पे मजबूर कर रही है. ठीक है, कि कैन वी सस्टेन दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. इसीलिए आजकल की डेट में आप देखोगे सारी जो मिलिट्रीज हैं दे वॉन्ट टू अवॉइड अ फुल स्केल वॉर. ठीक है, बिकॉज मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर इजंट अबाउट कि हु हैज़ गॉट एडवांस्ड वेपन्स. It is about who can actually produce, who can actually replace, who can have cheaper systems in a big scale. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर मान लो आपके पास 4 सिस्टम बहुत महंगे रखे हैं और उनके पास 500 ड्रोन पड़े हैं जो उसके आधे प्राइस के हैं, एंड इफ यू अटैक द सिस्टम्स विच आर दैट कॉस्टली, सो यू आर गोइंग टू विन. असिमेट्रिक वॉरफेयर जिसको बोलते हैं, ईरान वाली वॉर में यूज हो रही है. ठीक है, देखो ड्रोन्स जो है ना, दे आर नॉट ओनली यूज फॉर अटैकिंग, दे आर बीइंग यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट एज वेल. दिस इज व्हाट द अदर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑल्सो. यू शुड नो दैट ड्रोन्स आर नॉट ओनली ऑफेंसिव टूल्स, दे कैन एक्चुअली सपोर्ट यू इन रेकी, इन सर्विलेंस, इन सर्च एंड रेस्क्यू, रूट ऑब्जर्वेशन में आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं, लॉजिस्टिक्स में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन में, एंड और भी बहुत सारे फंक्शंस, सपोर्ट फंक्शंस में हेल्प करते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि मान लो अब एक डिफ़िकल्ट टेरेन है, स्पेशली लाइक अ प्लेस लाइक सियाचिन ऑफ इंडिया है ना, जहाँ पे कि क्या होता था कि सप्लाईज भेजना ही बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था. अभी ऐसे सिस्टम, ऐसी जगहों पे जब अपने पास सिस्टम्स होंगे वेर यू कैन सेंड राशन, वेर यू कैन सेंड क्लोथिंग, वेर यू कैन सेंड एनीथिंग, सो it becomes very useful for the people who are staying there in such difficult terrain, especially the people of defense forces. ठीक है, so this is what one of the biggest फायदे of drone is. ठीक है, देखो, now let's talk about another problem, the another side of drone. ठीक है, and this is where it is actually becoming interesting. ठीक है, now imagine कि योर आर्मी हैज़ गॉट एक्सीलेंट ड्रोन्स, आपकी आर्मी के पास बहुत ही बढ़िया ड्रोन्स हैं. ठीक है, नाउ योर एनिमी ऑल्सो हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सीलेंट ड्रोन्स. ठीक है, बट नाउ अबव द स्काई द बैटल फील्ड हैज़ बिकम so competitive. The drone is trying to observe, the drone is trying to get the information for you, they are trying to locate the forces, they are trying to locate everything about the enemy. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आती है काउंटर ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड दिस इज़ अ मेजर मिलिट्री रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है, द ड्रोन वॉर दैट हैज़ क्रिएटेड अ काउंटर ड्रोन वॉर. ठीक है, बिकॉज हो क्या रहा था कि अभी इतने ज़्यादा ड्रोन्स हो रहे हैं तो आप हर चीज़ की काउंटर तो निकालोगे ना. सो टू डील विद द ड्रोन्स, मिलिट्रीज नाउ हैव डेवलप्ड मल्टीपल लेयर्स ऑफ डिफेंस, एंड दीज कैन एक्चुअली do certain things for you and make it easier for you to protect yourself. जैसे कि you can in systems में you can detect, you can track, you can identify, and potentially you can neutralize the unwanted drone as well. So the exact technology varies, but it can involve radars, it can involve electronic warfare, electrical optical systems and counter US capabilities जो हैं वो develop हुई हैं. Now देखो किसी भी चीज़ का ना there is no magic solution because things are changing, है ना, variable है. So drones are also changing, and if you have developed a system to beat one kind of drone, somebody will modify the drone. ठीक है, they will change the operating method, they will change the technology. जैसे कि अभी जैसे बीच बीच में आता रहता है, इफ़ यू रीड चाइनीज़ टेक्नोलॉजी यू विल फाइंड आउट सच इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स कि उन्होंने जैसे उन्होंने अगर मिसाइल्स ऐसी बना ली हैं जिनको आप डिटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, तो सेम कैन बी डन विद द ड्रोन एज वेल, राइट? सो देयर विल बी चेंज इन टेक्नोलॉजी। नाउ द काउंटर मेजर को भी अपने आप को और अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है, उसको भी चेंज करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? सो डोंट थिंक कि it is such a easy thing to do, because this is what the competition looks like. ड्रोन बनाया, फिर उसका काउंटर ड्रोन बनाया, अब उसकी काउंटर ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाएगी. So at the end, remember this, that the electronic warfare has become even more important in today's world, because drones are so dependent on the communication links, the navigation systems, the electronic components. This actually shows how modern warfare is increasingly involving something which we cannot see from our eyes. क्या है ऐसा? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम, ठीक है? अभी देख लो, आप टेक्निकल बच्चे हो तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए, और अच्छे से मैं तो नहीं हूँ टेक्निकल, ठीक है? सो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम जो है, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज एट द एंड मॉडर्न वॉरफेयर इज जस्ट नो लॉन्गर अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग योर लैंड, सी एंड एयर, ठीक है? अब इट हैज़ चेंज. Now you have to protect your cyber, you have to protect your electronic magnetic environments as well. And the drones are sitting right in the middle of all this technological competition which is ongoing between the countries. ठीक है? And drones ने ना टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ बहुत कुछ चेंज कर दिया. They have changed logistics also. ठीक है? फाइटिंग तो चलो ठीक है, फाइटिंग वाला हमने वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट इनफ, ठीक है? अब आप सप्लाईज के लिए भी you can use drones for sending food, medicine, spare parts, communication equipment. ये कुछ भी आपको भेजना है, that can be again done by drones. Okay, now let me see what I have not covered, and then we will quickly try to finish it off. Now let me quickly summarize what actually has changed. I will be bringing everything together. So drones have changed the warfare in at least 5 fundamental ways. Number 1 is they have made surveillance much more accessible. Number 2 is they have accelerated the flow of information. Number 3 is they have connected sensors more closely with weapons, and the decision making is so much more faster now. Number 4 is they have created new threats to the expensive military equipment and systems. And number 5 is they have created an entirely new competition between drones and counter drone systems. But the real evolution of drone revolution is not, the drone itself is not the revolution. The real revolution is the network around. Okay? The drone that flies around without giving useful information is not particularly very revolutionary. I want you to connect it to satellites, communication, command systems, artillery, electronic warfare, artificial intelligence, space, other sensors, and the human making decisions. And suddenly you will realize how powerful all of this is, and how this whole modern warfare is increasingly about all the systems working together. Now let me just quickly talk about what is the implication for India. Dekho, for India it matters big time, enormously. Why? Because India has got long land border. We have extremely different terrain. We have mountains, we have deserts, we have plain, we have high altitudes, and we also have a long coastline. If you see, look at our southern part of the country. So in such an environment, surveillance and situational awareness is super important. Okay? And India has been investing in unarmed systems, unmanned systems, counter-drone capabilities, military modernization. So does India have drones? Of course we have. The more important question you should be asking is, can we build an entire ecosystem around them? Can we design them ourselves? Can we manufacture them at our scale? Secure our communication? Can we develop counter-drone systems? Can we integrate them with artillery, infantry, intelligence, and air defense? So the most important is, can we innovate faster than the battlefield changes? And that is actually the real challenge for every country is. So now let me tell you something. देखो, technology वो है discipline, leadership, judgment, वो है logistics, हिम्मत, the courage, and human decision making. So a drone can give you information, but it cannot decide what the information means in every situation. A machine will see everything, but at the end, commander has to decide what to do with that information. So the future soldier isn't someone who is fighting the machines, but he's someone who knows how to fight with the machines and use his own brains and to have that kind of brain. So that is why no matter how much we will, move ahead, at the end, your own human observation, your own decision making, your own courage, your own morale, these all will be checked in the interview of defense forces, because किस तरीके का equipment आपके पास आ गया है. If your morale is low, if you do not have observation skills, if you do not have decision making skills, no technology can help you, and no kind of warfare will save us. So at the end, it is all about the kind of soldiers which we have, the good decision making. So I think that's all kind of thing. Let me just quickly check. Okay, so let me quickly finish this. So I have to tell you about the questions which can be asked in the interview. Why have drones changed the modern warfare? So you do not have to just say ki because drones attack the targets. I want you to give a balanced, interesting answer. So you have to say drones have changed modern warfare because they have made surveillance more accessible. They have increased the battlefield awareness, and they have shortened the time between detection and action. So the greatest impact is not as individual weapons, but as a part of connecting networks. And the real lesson is that modern warfare is becoming less about one weapon and more about how quickly the entire system can see, decide, and act. And that is why the drones are changing the warfare. Now, do you think drones will replace the soldiers? What an interesting question, eh? So you have to tell, no ma'am, no sir. Drones will increasingly support soldiers by improving the surveillance, recce, targets, and logistics, but human beings will continue making the decision making, leadership, holding the ground, dealing with the complex situations. Third question can be how drones have made conventional war obsolete. Drones have significantly changed the battlefield, the precision engagement, but conventional capabilities like infantry, armored, and everything are equally important, and you cannot just think it. And so I think you will have enough information after watching this video. So the mental breakdown in your head, what has changed, why it has changed, and what happens on the both sides, and just a bigger lesson and maybe a conclusion. So this is what the whole thing is about drone. In case you like the video, do share it with your SSB aspirant friends, and don't forget to show me some love, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Happy Onam, everyone.